All right, if you're watching this video, then you're here to learn about Gale, so let's get started on that. We're in the same section as EBSCO, multi-source databases. Scroll down to the bottom, and we have Gale Student Resources in Context. I find Gale is much easier to search than EBSCO. It's a lot more straightforward. So here you click in the search bar, just like you would in any search engine, and you type in the key search terms. Okay, so let's just say we're doing Lord of the Flies, and we want to search the theme of fear. All right, so you'll get a lot of results and a lot of different content types. Now, this is key for a research essay or for a literary analysis. You want to stick to academic journals or critical essays. So if we click academic journals, you'll have a ton of articles here. You want to make sure you want to look at the right-hand side. You don't want to read a book review. You don't want a brief article. You don't want a children's review. All right, so you want to scroll down until you have something more like a critical essay. All right, so you can search those in academic journals, or you can go to just the section of critical essays, and then most of what you'll find there are critical essays. Now then what you would do is you would click on the one that you think would apply to your research. They're also organized by reading level, basic, intermediate, advanced. You guys should focus on something like intermediate or advanced. All right, so we click there. And then you have the article. Gale, you don't have to worry about downloading or looking at PDFs, all right? It's all right here in HTML text. And what you can also do, what you can do on EBSCOhost as well, is send to Google Drive, all right? And if you want to cite the article, you can click Citation Tools, and you want to do MLA 8th edition for this research essay because you'll be citing all of your sources in MLA. All right.